Well, 2024 certainly was a year of change, wasn't it? As you might expect, Google didn't miss their opportunity to shake things up and have their seat at the change table. And I thought I would pause here as the year closes and chat about some of the things that are currently going on and provide some details behind what your veterinary practice might want to do if you want to stay ahead and dominate your markets in 2025. So let's just dive into it. Here's the deal. Crushing it in Google isn't just about ads or SEO anymore. In 2025, it will be more than ever an online real estate game and all about you owning your spot on the search results page, or as my team and I call it, the SERPs. That stands for Search Engine Results Pages. One very interesting change is that Google's rolled out this new AI overview that directly addresses questions like how, why, or what. You may have seen these results in your personal searches. They're at the top of the search pages, and sometimes they'll even have the little blue stars around them. These new tools are actually stealing attention, traffic, and ultimately conversions from the usual search results where you and your practice may have already experienced success in the past. So, if you're not already tailoring your content to answer these types of questions and using long tail keywords, I actually know that you're leaving potential clients on the table. So, pay attention to that. You know, when I'm out there lecturing or working with small groups, many people ask me about sponsored ads and whether or not they are relevant and will continue to be relevant in 2025. Our position is that they are still a big deal and will be through 2025, provided that you're doing them right. And I guess here's a tip. Go for high intent phrases like veterinarian near me. And you can't just set it and forget it. Successful practices adjust ad spend based upon how booked up they are, and furthermore, they look at ad spend as a seasonal change. That's right, marketing dollars spend differently and sometimes have wildly different ROIs depending upon the time of year. If you need help understanding, how to adjust your ad spend throughout the year, please reach out to me and I'm happy to have one of our analysts look at your situation and maybe provide some guidance around such, but it's really important. Okay, let's move on to local pack, or you may know it as the map section or GBP, Google Business Profile. This should already be your best online source for new clients. And I'm going to say if it's not already your best source, there's probably something wrong. Keeping your GBP updated and dialed in with local SEO is really how you'll be successful in 2025. With all of this said, I don't want you to give up on organic search. It still will be important for you to rank for terms like dog coughing or same-day vet care, as it builds your credibility and actually attracts urgent care clients who need your help now. It's important, right? One more hack. It's called the People Also Ask section. This is a super important and often forgotten place to rank. I would advise that your plan includes this and that you create blogs that answer the common pet-related questions. Creating tons of custom content will continue to be a huge part of a successful strategy. So here's the takeaway. If you want to dominate Google in 2025, you've got to play the whole field, more so than ever. This includes AI overviews, ads, local pack, organic search, and the People Also Ask section. You might be wondering who are the practices that will jump on these strategies? Well, I'm pretty confident that you won't have to worry because you'll be able to pick these people and practices out in the new year as they will own their markets. I'm happy to help and help you make that happen for you and your practice in this next year.